Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Hi you all, it's me Maya March and today we are using hot braids in the color burgundy. So I already started and I'm just showing you my first two rows. Now I'm going to show you my third row and there's a diagram to the side to just get you started and give you your perfect parts. First you're going to take your edge control and then from there you're going to apply that on your part and then you're going to brush that in. From there, we're going to just braid it down about 2 to 3 times, no more than about 4, maybe even 5. And from there, we're going to then take our hair. I'm going to just take 2 pieces and then I'm going to bring those 2 pieces together. From there, we're going to go ahead and crochet the hair in. So you'll put the crochet hair on the hook. Next, we're taking our curly curl cream, our Let's Jam, and our Eco Styler gel. Once the hair is installed, we'll begin to wrap that base. So we'll wrap it about 2 to 3 times before we begin twisting down. When you are twisting down, I don't need you to do it extra tight, but definitely have a nice grip with the twist. And be sure to twist with your hands as you're also twisting. So it's almost as if you're pre-twisting before you actually do the twist. We're going to twist that all the way down. And next, I'm just going to take some of my scissors and cut some of that excess hair that we do not need. And we're going to continue to braid that down. Once I get towards the end, I'm definitely adding in a little bit more of the Eco or the curly curl cream, and then I'm just going to utilize that to get my beautiful curl. And you can always add product as needed. Look at how pretty that twist is. So right now I'm just showcasing exactly how my twists are looking. We are currently on the third row, so I have 2 in the back and this is the third one. I'm going to have a total of 7 rows. I showed you 8 on the picture, but I'm only going to do 7, and I had a total of about 60 twists in my head. So don't forget, while you are parting, you're doing the brick method. If you can tell like how everything looks even. So when you do the brick method, most of the time you will be able to be consistent with your parts by putting a part in the middle of the next braid. Next, we are taking a piece of our human afro kinky hair. Once again, I'm just pulling 2 pieces apart. I don't add too much hair because I noticed that I actually like my twist a little bit smaller. So as I went a little bit further into the front, I actually started making the pieces just a little bit slightly smaller. So here's a closer angle of me placing the hair in my head. So I'm placing the crochet needle in, and then we're going to loop the hair onto that needle, and then we're going to pull it through. From there, you're going to wrap that base 2 to 3 times, and then I usually try to take a little bit of my curly curl cream or my Eco Styler gel, and then I'll begin to twist down just because I do want a juicy twist. And as you can see, when I'm twisting the hair, I'm actually cutting my hair, which is the black pieces. I'm cutting them in half, and so I'm rotating that with the twist. Now, this is your creativity, so you don't necessarily have to do that, but I felt like it gave it more of a smooth, seamless look, to where it looked like it was just a natural burgundy black, and it wasn't just overly harsh. But look how pretty this hair is. It definitely gave more like Marley twist. So if that's kind of something that you are into, this is like the perfect hair for you. I wore these twists for a while. As you can see, really fast, I did cut that extra piece off. Do not be afraid to cut. You can always go longer. As you can see me in some of these other clips, I am adding in additional hair. I just decided to keep the natural length just to kind of save on time, because sometimes this can be time consuming, and I thought it was just pretty just to kind of wear it, and people will probably assume that it was more of my natural hair as well, and I was still able to do some really cool options. So right now I did just spray like a water on my head just to kind of get everything juicy. And now we are taking our hair again, and we're adding 2 pieces to make it just a little bit longer. You can always do this and still add hair once you get into the middle of the twist if you prefer longer twists. So as you can see, we are twisting and then we're going to twist down. And if you look close, I didn't use the crochet needle this time because I just wanted to show you if you don't want to utilize the crochet needle, or if you just don't really care for it, maybe it caused you pain or anything. I'm just showing you that I've wrapped the base with just the hair itself. I didn't utilize any needle. So this is a second option for you to achieve the same look. Afro Kinky Curl Bolt is 100% human hair. Afro Kinks Bolt could blend perfectly with type 4 natural hair. It is very natural looking, durable, soft, and skin friendly. It can be dyed and bleached as well. It is ideal to make or repair Afro hair with braids, dreadlock extensions, Afro twists. Plus, it can be dyed, curled, or straightened to achieve your desired look. So that's the beauty of having it to be 100% human hair. So with this hair, I decided to do twists because they are an excellent way to grow your hair. There are amazing protective natural hairstyles. You can reduce your manipulation, which can also be great for you to grow your hair. The retention of your length, it enhances blood circulation. It is a low maintenance hairstyle that's very versatile, so you could do different updos, and towards the end I will show you different hairstyles you can achieve with this look. And it's great for like all hair types. Right now we are working on our last twist. So as you can see, I had already placed the hair in, and now I'm splitting that hair in half, and then we're going to begin twisting all the way down. As I'm twisting, once again, I am adding product, and as you can see right now, I'm also adding hair because I feel like I wanted it just to be a little bit fuller and have just a little bit more red especially. So from adding the hair, we're just going to continue to twist all the way down. While you're twisting down, you want to make sure your twist is giving like juicy vibes. You don't want dry twists. So if your twist is giving like a dry vibe, make sure you still continue to add your curly curl cream, or you can do anything else that works for you, or let's jam plus the Eco Styler gel. Whichever, or all of them together will create a juicy twist. And that's what you need to achieve the perfect twist. Now I'm showing you the bottom, and it's just a little extra that I don't want, so I'm taking those scissors and I'm gonna cut that so it can be completely even with my real hair. I don't want any extra because it's gonna kind of just hang a little too low for my preference. But now I'm just adding in some of my Eco Styler gel, just so as I continue to twist down, once I'm finished, it's going to be super curly. Now I'm just taking some of my edge control and I'm adding baby hair. I know it is such a controversy, but everybody know I love my baby hair. And this is the finished product. I just want you all to either take some screenshots or look really close so you can kind of get an example of how your hair should be layered and what it should be looking like. These twists were so lovely. Look at this color, you all. And also a lot of people ask me, how was I able to get the most perfect or close to perfect parts? I will always suggest that you all invest into a 3-way mirror. That is a huge investment because you're able to see all sides, from the back to the side to the middle of your head, and that's what's going to help. I'm just showing you the different layers, and so now we're heading into just a few different hairstyles that I just wanted to show you. Right now I'm pulling all of my hair up just to show you what a top knot bun look like. I'm just going to leave the front 2 out because I thought it was so cute. As you can see, look at our bun. Our next hairstyle, I'm just going to do 2 ponytails. This is super optional. I thought it was just super quick, easy, and fun. And the next one is our double buns. I love the double buns. And then you can always just traditionally, of course, wear your hair straight down. So I would like to thank you all for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all. Bye.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been